and we are here to read a story to you. Dazzling diggers. Diggers? Whoosh. What do they think? Let's find out. Dazzling diggers. Dazzling diggers. These guys are going to work. That's his lunchbox. Oh, it says lunchbox. Lunchbox. It looks like he has a map. Vroom. Diggers are noisy, strong, and big. Diggers can carry and push and dig. He's digging a hole. Scoop, scoop. Diggers have shovels to scoop and lift. Scoop and lift. Scrunch. Blades that bulldoze. Shunt and shift. Shunt and shift? What does that mean? Good question. This is a pretty red one. Diggers have buckets to gouge out ground. Breakers that crack and smash and pound. Crack, crack, crack. I have a feeling these things are very noisy. He's putting in gasoline. Diesel. Oil. Glug, glug, glug. Diggers move rubble and rocks and soil, so diggers need drinks of diesel oil. Soil and oil. That rhymes. That rhymes. Glug, glug, glug. He's drinking over here, too. I think he's getting ready for lunch, this guy. That's a hard hat. Have to wear a hard hat for safety. He's working very hard. Some have tires and some have tracks. Some keep steady with legs called jacks. That's a jack. That holds the whole thing in place so it doesn't scooch back. Tires. Tires, tires, tires. Tires and tracks. These are the tracks that go around it. Grip hard as they travel. Tires and tracks. Grip hard as they travel. Squish through mud and grind through gravel. Squilt. I think this is the supervisor. Good job, guys. Always time for fun. It looks like there's squirt in the sky. Diggers go scrunch and squelch and slosh. This dirty digger needs a really good wash. Oh, look at all the mud. That's what they're getting off. Splish, splash, splosh. Rinsing it off. Splish, splash, splosh, rinsing it off. You're gonna get all wet, dude. You better get out of the way. Bash, crash. Oh, this is my favorite page. Oh, you guys are gonna like this page. Bash, crash. That's a big, hard ball. Diggers can bash and crash and break. Make things scrabble, shiver, and shake. He likes it too. Bash, crash, bash, crash, bash, crash. What? These guys are afraid. No. That looks like fun to me. This is a kind of cool page too. Diggers can heave and hoist and haul. Hoist means to lift up. Diggers help buildings tower up tall. They're making things now. But. This is cement. Cement. Uh-oh, what's happening here? He dropped one. Oopsie-daisies. Drivers park neatly down on the site. Oh, looks like he turned it off. And then they all go home. Good night. Hey, wait a minute, they didn't even eat lunch. They kept carrying their lunch boxes. I have a lunch box too, do you? I don't know, these guys, maybe they ate secretly and we didn't get to see it. Oh well. Digger parts. Levers. These control different parts of the digger. Tire. This helps the wheel to grip the ground and get the digger moving. Bucket. This is for digging and scooping out. Piston. This is a strong pump that makes parts of the digger move around. Jack. This holds the digger steady when it is lifting or digging. His name is Jack. Breaker. This is for cracking concrete or lumps of rocks. Tracks. These help the digger to travel over slippery or bumpy ground. Blade. This is for knocking down and pushing along. Very cool. I think I'm going to grow up and be a construction guy. I really want to use a digger. Yeah. How about you? Thanks for watching, friends. Turn the page. Thanks for watching Dazzling Diggers by Tony Minton and Parker. Bye-bye. Time for bonus time. If you're happy and you know it, be a digger. If you're happy and you know it, be a digger. Be a digger. Hey, get up here. If you're happy and you know it, then you want to be a digger. If you're happy and you know it, be a digger. Wait a minute. I don't go harrow. You do. You go harrow. If you're happy and you know it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Then you're really gonna show it. If you're happy and you know it, be a digger. Woo!
Click on Tumpsky to subscribe. Click on the next show you want to watch. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You can follow us on Facebook as well. Look down below under Show More. See you soon.